Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore QBI deduction calculations using Evergreen Spreadsheets, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Evergreen spreadsheet application. Locate the file containing your QBI deduction calculations. If you cannot find the file, use the search feature within the application. Once the file is open, look at the first sheet titled QBI Calculations. Review the existing data to understand the current calculation. Identify any errors or areas that require restoration. Next, gather necessary documents to support your calculations. These documents may include income statements and expense reports. Go back to the QBI calculations sheet. Check the formulas used for calculating the deduction. Ensure that all inputs reflect the most current financial data. If formulas are missing, you will need to recreate them. Start by entering your qualified business income. Make sure to input this in the designated cell for income. Now, look for the deduction percentage, typically 20%. Input this percentage into the appropriate field in the spreadsheet. Next, verify any qualifying expenses. Enter these expenses into the respective cells. Once you've inputted all necessary data, check the totals. Restructure any formulas if results do not appear correct. Utilize Excel's sum function to tally your totals if not already done. Review all figures to ensure accuracy. If any discrepancies exist, trace back to your documents for correction. After confirming all data is accurate, save your changes. Consider creating a backup copy of the file for future reference. Finally, close the Evergreen application after saving your work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.